Well, I'm really happy that I am going to be doing a workshop on homeopathy at Yoga Vie. Virginia and I had talked about this a long time, and it's actually happening, so I'm really excited. And people ask, of course, what is homeopathy? Because we're not necessarily familiar with it and might assume that it's herbal medicine, that it's aromatherapy. And while it is a natural form of healing that is allied in some ways with those modalities, it's actually not the same. Homeopathy is based on a couple of really important principles, and one is like cures like, and the other is potentizing the remedies. So again, that doesn't help you to really understand what it is. It is a system of healing that has been around for hundreds of years, and it stimulates your body to heal itself. You know that your body heals itself. If you cut your finger, it's going to heal itself. As long as you keep it clean, you don't really need to do anything else. And actually, even on much deeper, more complicated illnesses, we can heal ourselves. And of course, it's not just the body either. Body, mind, soul, spirit, whatever you want to call it. We have these different dimensions to our beings. We're all aware today that they are not separate. So if you are just treating the body, it is going to have effects on the rest of you, psychologically, emotionally, and so on. And the amazing thing with homeopathy, even though it's kind of an old system of healing, it's been around for over 200 years, it does address all these levels. So it's really, I think it's the medicine for our time, literally. I really do. And I'm just excited to be able to present some information about it, just introduce people, show you how you can use homeopathy just in a sort of simple way at home to start with. It's safe, no side effects. There are no possible side effects because the remedies are prepared in such a way that the doses of whatever the substance is so minute. And in fact, this is the controversy amongst in certain quarters, where people kind of say, well, how can it possibly work? Because you're talking about such tiny amounts. But it does work, because it works on an energetic level. And you know, acupuncture, a lot of different modalities do work on an energy level. Homeopathy is just one of those. And I want to, introduce people to it and share it with them, because I've benefited from it so much myself over 30 years now, since I first trained as a homeopath in England in 1992.